cute, look good. Oh, do it again. Me not catch you good. Do it again. My friend, yeah, better 1 minute please. Yeah man, I run from me man, I Jamaica walk by, let me run it down there, can I stretch my legs. You know, beautiful ladies not shy, but I can't see that area pass. I will spend a lot of time if video that, if you catch a area. This is Jamaica walk by my friend, I just walk through the place. Morant Bay, your space? Yeah? You come right out here? Yeah? You not big up the hairdresser? Big up the hairdresser. Hold on them man, beg you one stop man. Beg you one stop me talk here a little bit man. No joke, beg you come over the side. So you come out nice, so what inspired that outfit here? What inspired? So, oversized t-shirt and slim tights. Come right out and thing. The ear now, tell me a little bit about that area. How long it take to do this? Me can touch it? Yeah. How long it take to do this? Look at myself.
I'm not sure.
Whole heap of little twisting, turning. Yeah, hairdresser?
I do my hair when people have year 1 and 2 outside.
Oh yeah. So this and it not this is not heavy.
No, it's light. Very light.
And let me tell you, it looks beautiful on you. Taste it for free. Yeah man. You come right out. Look good. Your boyfriend and your family must proud of you. Yeah. No joke. I love the hair though. I love the hair. And if you don't look good massive, you can't tell. So I don't fear one, you know, because it blend right in. Can I catch a close up of it? Like,
It pull up.
Look, and this pull up? Wait, let me catch right Sunday. This pull up? Nice. Beautiful. You come right out. Yeah man, so I'm trying to get her Instagram, see if I can at least tag her or just bless her up so you can see her on Jamaica walk by. The lady a shape goodie man. Lord of mercy. You married yet?
No.
You're not married yet? Cause me surprised you're still out there in the world man. You should have come off of your list long time. Eh? Godfather, if you rate this lady out of 10, how much you give her? 10? Lord of mercy, look good. When lady good, over 10. Mommy, you hear that? He said over 10. A 10 me give me now. And he gone with it. That is it, man.
S-O, what is S-O-A-K? Eh? Who? Alright. Give her the hustling. See me? She have a hustler voice. Yeah, give me
sell me something.
Give me the hustler voice.
Ladies, stuff and children, those are 500.
500.
See a lot, probably good to them at 500.
Good to
one
them.
contact looking at the store at 500. Me now want a price. 500.
See a lot.
See a lot,
Sir, come over here, sir.
at 500.
Everything I go 500. 500.
500. Give me
See a
the
lot, probably good to them at 500. Ladies and children,
See a
those
lot.
500.
See a lot.
Looking at the store.
See a lot.
Me now want a price. 500.
Yo, easy, you don't know big up every time I'm a Jamaica walk by massive. You don't know see a Jamaica walk by them on them ground in them town. Look good now man, we just feed. Figure that? How you mean? So right about now we're there in a Morant Bay massive and a normal thing. Look good. Me make sure walking on my white shirt today because you know say sun I go burn. Although the breeze are blue and don't get cool and nice and the sea there right over there so from the road. Look good now man. You understand? We're in a Morant Bay town. And listen my massive. All of the massive them. When I see Morant Bay for a long time, I found the video this. So I beg you to start like a video right now. Come here man. Start like a video right now. If you're new to the channel and you don't subscribe it and you see it the first time, I beg you to subscribe to the channel man. Yeah man, 1 billion subscribers we are here for December. We know a number big but it have to work and that's some thing there. So you know from here Jamaica walk by vibes, you know so it's all about showcasing the natural ambiences in Jamaica. The way the place looking at 2024 and I'm Morant Bay me there. You understand? So we're going to walk through. We're going to talk to one nice beautiful lady like that one that we just a pass. Big up yourself, my church sister. See you can't here. Big up yourself, my teacher. Look good now, man. Figure that. So right about now, we're showing you what Morant Bay look like. But guess what, man? Today no one normal day because today we reach in Morant Bay. And we're going to walk up in a somebody. Look good now, man.
Yes, sir. Jamaica walk by. No, you look different. What you do to yourself? You put on weight. Yo, watch you now, Morant Bay. Hot, you know. Sun is burning. It's really so easy, people. Yo, make sure to
Banana chips! Shit!
Boss, yeah?
Yeah, look good now, man.
Anything go Jamaica walk by, anything go live.
That
GCT
is
out
it.
that.
Fully.
So, we never plan for it,
No.
but it look like so we go color the
universe.
Ah, look good, man.
Yeah. Yo, me not even you didn't know.
Me not even know what I go on. My mind just say, I'm Morant Bay chopper there. I look good. We there me fam. I roll it so easy. And in general, I know what thing going on, man. No joke.
Anything go.
Figure that. So, roll it down here, and I'm going to do him thing, him question. So all them massive them, listen me the good now, man. If you don't know who the brother is, when you're looking at the description, you're going to see a link to him YouTube channel. If me a roll it so easy, I'm always a him friend wicked, but I'm a great friend. Don't play with them. You understand? So look good. Subscribe to him thing. I'm not even sure how much subscriber I'm on right, and away man subscriber thing and goes so it move fast. So you want to subscribe to the man YouTube channel and make sure you don't just subscribe enough. You want to support. Turn on the post notification. Drop comment. Don't watch the video and not like it.
Like the video right now. I say need them.
How you mean?
Like the video now.
Like the video now.
You're not pretty it up.
No man, we're not pretty up. None around us support. Listen me. Don't watch the video and not like it. You understand? Like it don't hurt nothing. You just got to click. You just got to click.
All with the on them TV, no excuse. Come off of your TV and press the like button right now.
Figure that.
Right.
You understand? So roll it so easy. I'm telling you, crazy man this and we just go watch you. They go do them thing.
Yeah.
They go ask some questions.
Yeah.
They go make a thing right.
Yeah.
They go make a thing active.
Yeah.
But you don't know, me go show you the building. Me go show you the gutter. Me go show you the trench. Me go show you the girl. Me go show you everything. So listen, that is it. Generally in the place.
Live boss.
That is it. No joke. Yeah, massive, me happy. It's a unity and it's just great. And we are going to do this. What is on ready?
No, I'm ready, no man.
Ready, man. Ready now.
That is it. Look good. Let's do this. Man thing. Yeah, massive. Look good. I'm Morant Bay. See that roll is so easy.
Yeah.
Massive, me don't know the same shot.
Stop it no man.
Me don't know the same shot. Look good. Look good. He always have a video too close to make him look big. Him not big. And him a run up on people with boxing gloves. Me tell you, if you run up on me with the boxing glove, I'm about to swing. I mean, me a swing too. It's a butt. What you saying? Him big.
You know, people just like, comment, subscribe. You see me? For you see business a live boss. You see me? I say fully live.
Is it.
You know, the first link up, you know. My bro, you know, I think got the vibes up. You get me? I say,
right.
It's so easy. You see? You know, Jamaica,
that.
beautiful place. You know, I think go live out here fully.
Mad thing. Morant Bay massive. So, you don't know, we start everything right at the Ruby's gas station. You see me? Look good. And we are walk through. Yeah, man, you can't go no banger and do nothing. So, I miss a massive RolleySoEasy. Subscribe to him channel, check out him page. You understand? About 2 pages, man.
You can't wave me.
And
You can't wave me.
yeah. So massive, we just go through. So Rolly, you know we are going to link up before the day done already. You know shall we park and think, go and hang bang. All the people there to talk to. See it? Mad thing. We're there. Outside. Yeah, massive. Look, we come through with driver. But your sister there, you me talk to down the so now. Big up yourself. Hear that? Cool. Yeah. Morant Bay. We'll kick off a ball like this. Big up my teacher, respect. See? So we're there, so. St. Thomas Municipal Cooperation. Look good. So all I must see them when I see Morant Bay for a while. Just remember, your video this.
Sweet soup pack.
Cheese and peace, you know we not pass him. I sit here. Yeah, my teacher, big up.
Soup pack, man.
Respect.
Wait for move. I soup pack this.
Yeah.
Are you running?
No.
How running, chap? Come in, chef, man. See, I come, hey, compare me with big up them people and I hope so then reach out to me to be an ambassador, you know? Big up compare.
Alright.
One hour wait for the YouTubers them run. How you mean? Chef, are you running out here? Yo, listen, man, you're too clean for the show in party now. Eh? No bother with that, but we are selling Morant Bay good today. Are you running spot? Alright then, big up yourself, watch out. So we still a show about the things here and where. That brother you right as you don't know the fruits, the soup, and one bunch of things, a man put them white like Jesus and wash them. Look good. You understand which part of yourself you buy? From the touching of Morant Bay you have to get the soup right as and no joke thing. The fruits right as look good. fresh fruits, June plum, orange. Yo, what that's my name again? This. What this name again? Huh? Cantaloupe massive. Cantaloupe there, all of them things. Check out the man thing, look good. No joke, him say not like the camera thing and no film vibe, but no see a word, we no business. We can showcase him thing, cause any idea selling the thing there and everybody gonna love the camera. You know what I say heart I love, me not show him, but me a big off him face. Big up yourself, my teacher, respect. Outside with it. Look good. Morant Bay. No joke, a long time in a forward down other side. I look good. The place nice. You understand? No joke. Yes, fire, blessings. So me I show you exactly where Morant Bay look like in a 2024. No joke, no doubt. You understand? I don't know why my battery tell me say it a run low. And me just start. And me actually did full charge it. Me don't know what go wrong. But hold on there a second, make me gas up that something here. You understand? So we can deal with it the right way. Scene, come again. Let's do this. No joke. Banana chips. Yeah, man. So let's go. Banana chips. So we are going at the heart of the town right about now at the showcase what go on and thing. Big soup, I mean, at your place, you know. Let me make a look across the road and think I want to catch everything today. This is going to be a long video, but you know the chop go. We just a showcase the place. Yeah, my teacher them, big up, big up. Ah, I can come out of the road. Yeah. Yeah, man, I show a place. Look good. Alright, so over here so you can see it's a taxi stand. I'm not sure which taxi stand this, but let's do it like this. I mean, I want to know the place. You understand? I know about the place, but I'm not really far down like that often. You understand? Greetings, my church sister. Go check out that side. Huge. Hard thing. See around us. So you know we are going through. We want it soon, make you see the place the right way. See? Yeah. So we just take time and go through make you see the real Morant Bay. We're not reaching the heart of the town yet, but this is one part on one part. You know you go. As we go through, you don't know the place, you don't want to see it. So we are doing a full tour of the place. Just like that. Yeah, man. So this is like the town next to the sea. And a joke thing, I see the right center camera. As we just walk through, we're gonna see the place exactly where it look like. Yeah, man. Morant Bay town with it. All of you don't know Jamaica, we are gonna know Morant Bay today. Look on the sea, beautiful. Oh my word. Alright, you know so my vibe is all about walking, showcasing exactly what the place look like and all of that. You understand? Alright. So this is actually what around this side. And my first time I found around that side. So I could go through. See? That is it. So massive, if you watch thus far and you like it, please may I ask if you like the video. Please. Let me hear who and who for town this. If I hear a town, comment it right in one of the comment section and say, yo, my place. I could do it so. Yeah, man. Why may I tell you? Come on, Morant Bay, come back up in a RolleySoEasy. Yo, me G, brother, me G. Me and him never link up yet, you know. But we talk on the phone and all of them things there, you understand? Big up to RolleySoEasy. Him there in a place, but you don't know. He might ask some question as me I walk around and I find out the chop, how the place look and what go on, you know? Yeah, man. Let's go. Bad driver. Yo, that. That is it, my fam. Yeah. Back on the main. Let's do this. Good evening. My friend there, the pretty flowers, them see them way. Look good. Me had the Jamaica walk by to them, I can video them. Whoa. Look good. Anyway, I'm going on sellings, me I deal with. Look good, I can video them. A fresh plant. See, now what lime tree this? Yeah. Lime tree, almighty. You know the name of the lime tree, I don't know which part they see there. Look good. Mango tree. So all of them here, you just want take them out of the bag and dig the hole and drop in and just water it. Yeah. Figure that, look good. Plants in the house, all kind of some. Some of me, are you deal with them yourself? Yeah. You're a Christian, no? I can't see it, man. Don't worry yourself. Big up every time. Alright. Jamaica walk by. Right. Fabian, my name. Alright, good evening here, manners and respect. Yeah. Look good. Right, on the stretch. So if you don't fall in Morant Bay, you don't know how them things they look good. I just say them there. Up on Friday even alone. That is it. You hear Friday out of no name. Look good. Nice. Check out the chop. Lord, you have some nice skirt and them thing. Oh, you smile so pretty. Smile again. Give me it again. That is it, man. Know you mean? Look good. Yeah. So right head up on the beard as I touch that Morant Bay. You don't have to reach in the store. If you want the skirt, if you just got a nice function, they look good. See them here? See the t-shirt them here, see them here? Look good now, man. Oh, you mean? Yeah. But nice to go, sister. Big up yourself, manners and love. Sister, you go and drop some juice. See you have all your hand wash station to make sure say you have to clean. All of them sitting there. When they say cleanliness is next to godliness. See the juice, man? Yeah, what wine are igloo? Well, oh, she'll get up off her hot seat. Oh, you mean? Let's see in the igloo. Yeah, oh, word. Yes, I. No joke. Yeah. So, me as a man, you know, anyway you see me go some my video and I always try to make sure me come sponsor. You understand? Right about now, I bag water them this. Alright. Here what? Me not really want enough yet, but me I go actually just drink a one and pay for it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to give you a tip on it. And later on when I pass, I will actually make sure that I support your business. Alright, big up yourself. That is yours, here. Blessings and love. What you mean? Where's my teacher?
Give me money.
No man, alright, that's why I nice to go church sister where I sit down and say, also, I buy a bag juice and I pay for it. You understand? So a long time I not try one of them here. You understand? I don't really want much water because I don't know anything. I don't want to walk up and down stitches. I have to go walk through the whole Morant Bay to show them what I go. What the man name? Touch it now, man. What you mean? Where say you want a drink?
Taxi man, my name.
Taxi man name?
Yeah.
You go on. How shoot you run pan? Trendy.
Yeah.
Lows and go. Where say at Pro Box?
What your name?
Jamaica walk by. Fabian my name. Yeah, me I show them a whole Jamaica, how Jamaica looking at 2024 and before and beyond. Okay. Yeah, man. All love and unity. As a matter of fact, I say, buy a beer. Yeah, look in the igloo and see what you want, man. Yeah, man. Let me bust buy me bust. Someone see when I eat them bag juice, I just bust the tip right there, so. I just done it.
We don't want it. We don't want.
See that? Where's the Lucas here to go?
Drive, we are drive. We don't drink.
That is it. Drive. No drink and drive. What you mean? Figure that. So, me and the man a reason say I'm gonna have to drink a Lucas here. My church sister, I still have to pay feet in a car. Where you get a tip in?
Where you go down to trip level? Where you go?
So see it there? You just bust the tip and you just do it.
Hello, see man, change the level. And I go up some. You
call this a little top up, you know? I drive so far, I didn't get nothing to drink. Where is the garbage? Oh, alright, big up yourself. So she take it from me and dispose of it. So I'm going to pay for my general Lucas here. And then how much for the Lucas here? 4 bills, see there? Alright, don't worry yourself. So let me find, alright, see? Collect out of this there so I can get some change on this thing. Blessings and respect. At you. I know so all of them money I end up give away before my day done. Almighty God. Me just give everything. Oh, me hell around this. I'm not see you know. Big up yourself in a Jamaica shirt. Yeah. Respect me teacher. Oh, you mean?
Jamaica shirt.
That is it, man. Me not tell you, man. Look good. See in the round this I do it. What your name? Big up yourself, my teacher. Big up Devon, always. Look good. Slippers and all them things that see crocs them here. Look good now, man. Oh, you mean? Jamaica shirt, that kind of thing, soldier shirt and you're not soldier. See the Rastafari color shirt, them and blouse and yo, frock and basing thing. How you mean? Figure that, my teacher. Big up and respect. You hear that? Wow. What he said? He said, one heap of mix up. How you mean? So blessings and love here. Outside me there. Look good. Yeah, man. So we are going up in the heart of town as we go through. Figure that. It's all about love, my people. It's all about the vibe. It's all about the energy. As you do it. See, I'm a teacher here. Blessings and respect. How you mean? Always. Always. Yes, my friend. You're lucky ends though. How you mean? Now I chicken already. Let me see your ends, man. Can we have to make it? Don't worry yourself, man. Beautiful people, not shy, man. Alright, you're bad for your camera. Let me take you off of you then. You see how you go on? You know, come on, man. Beautiful people, not shy, man. Touch me now, man. Eh? I not catch your face. Look how she rosy. I not catch your face. I cut off your face. Look how you're rosy and nice. You married already?
Yes.
Oh, you jump off a calendar, all of them things. That's a your ball. Let me see where you're going with night pot there. Let me see night jerk on them. Oh, you lift you up. Let me show them how Jamaica nice. Food everywhere. We can't hungry. Look good now, man. Yeah, man. I not catch your ball out. See that? Oh, you have ready chicken up there, so. And you have some, Barbie jerk. Mad thing, nice and lively. Make sure some supporter ends up. Look good. She said not catch her face because she afraid of the camera. Arnold. Look good. You understand how you mean? Blessings and love. I hope everything sell out before the day done. You hear that? Alright, take it easy. Here massive as we go through. Look good. Oh, you mean? We not play. You get that? Yeah, man. Morant Bay massive 15 minutes in. Yeah. Yes, fire. Big up. I hear ends this. Blow what we got to hustle, you know? Blessings. Jamaica walk by, you know, just a pass through and I go and show them how Morant Bay look and the happenings, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Are you doing them over here, so too? My thing, man. They're facts, yeah.
It's not belief, it's knowledge.
It's knowledge.
Yeah, our slave parents who came from Africa were not Christians.
They were not Christians?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, they didn't, and they didn't use this calendar either.
Oh, they never used that calendar, yeah?
Yeah, so this calendar we're using is the Gregorian calendar. Is the calendar of the slave master.
Whoa.
Yeah. So our parents, they use a different calendar called the Old Jew or Israel calendar.
The Old Jew or Israel calendar.
That
is it.
But you can do a comparative. When you do a comparative mathematical and statistical analysis between the two calendars, you're going to discover that the day you call Sunday is the same day that the Bible and Israel call Sabbath. Like today, our calendar defined to be Friday, the 6th day of the week, but that old calendar of our parents defined today to be the 5th day of the week. All because, they use different mathematics to calculate the week.
That is it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So little bit. You run over! Big up yourself, my teacher. Yeah, one love. Yeah. Alright, my family. Respect, knowledge is key. See? Blessings and respect for your time spent right us, alright? One love. We say turmeric. I go and juggle some turmeric. You plant them turmeric too?
Yeah, man.
It look like ginger, but it's not ginger, it's turmeric. Now this time use my curry. Look good. This time use my curry. Alright, we are walk through, see? Blessings, my teacher. No joke. Under the bridge. How you say? You don't see no crocodile, man. You're too skilled. One good in there still now? Yeah, our water does sickle so you don't move. How we school this? We school you go? Oh, big up yourself then, man. Big up yourself though. Rest on the bright?
Yeah.
That is it, man. Yeah, massive. Look good. Alright, we just take our time and a march go up in the town. Easily. We march and go up in the town. So right over there so now at the park. See the park over there so. Yeah, we're gonna walk over there still, you know, but we'll march go up in the town a little bit first. Oh, you mean? We just walk it, yeah, so. Yeah, my teacher, Miss Beck. Good evening. Outside. So we are going to the town. In the heart of the town. So just take a look at the road right here so. And I go through as we are walk through the place. Yeah, man. Morant Bay. Active. Bega run them, the teacher. When the vlogger them pass through there, you know, I get catch them. They saw them school out here, boss, you know, play Jamaican chop, you know. A Clark's gas school and them thing there. Look good, bank cover over there, so here force over. Blows on! Where's that Clark's crew? Real rich. Yo, a mad thing, man. Look good now, man. See the Clark's. You understand? Wally B. Our slippers. I buck him buck off in big toe, man.
No, man,
big toe blind, man.
Big thing.
Big up for yourself, see? Yeah, man. Morant Bay. That is it. Look good. No joke, no doubt. We outside. Morant Bay. So we walk through Morant Bay showcase a natural liberty. Yes, my church sisters, believe. Good evening, good evening. How you mean? Look good. Yeah, man. My friend. Yeah, brother, 1 minute, please. Yeah, man, I run from me, man. I Jamaica walk by. Let me run it down there, because I stretch my legs. You know, beautiful ladies, not shy, but I can't see that area pass. I will spend a lot of time if video that, if you catch a area. This is Jamaica walk by, my friend. I just walk through the place. Morant Bay, your space? Yeah? You come right out here? Yeah? You not big up the hairdresser? Big up the hairdresser. Hold on them, man. Beg you one stop, man. Beg you one stop, me talk here a little bit, man. No joke. Beg you come over the side. Turn the music now and play. Yeah, my friend. You come right out. Me have to catch a area. So my name is Fabian. One love. One love. That is it. You shape me. Wait, now where radio play? I don't want to read it. Come where you go that way. Sure. Yeah, because you copyright. Yeah. I'm going to beg you shout out your Instagram. Because people are going to kill me if I don't showcase your Instagram. Oh, you're so nice. I just say people that don't get nice in general. They don't know, are just you nice. I'm more a baby and girl. Yeah. That is it. Are you not shy? How come? You shoot video and everything there? Yes, a model? No. Alright, that's nice. Yeah, me always have a team, you know, we say beautiful ladies not shy. So if you're beautiful and me approach you, I just know say you're going to be beasted. That way there you go. Alright, so me can stop alright this and talk to you out of the nice Rockstone and say town festive. A years been a father Morant Bay. So Jamaica Walk By is all about walking, talking with people, showcasing the natural ambiences. Alright, me a big attack right over here, so you can give me the Instagram and we can tag you and give you a nice shout out and thing. And thank you so much for your time. You come right out, look good like. And you taking it? Or you not say it on camera?
No.
No, come and touch it. So what's your Instagram?
Jessica. I don't really have an Instagram, I just like one page of music.
For real? Alright then. So you come out nice, so what inspired that outfit here?
I don't know
what inspired? So,
oversized t-shirt.
Oversized t-shirt and slim tights. Come right out and thing. The ear now. Tell me a little bit about that area. How long it take to do this? Me can touch it?
Yeah.
How long it take to do this? Look at massive.
I'm not sure.
Whole heap of little twisting, turning. Yeah, hairdresser?
I'm do my hair once you do them year 1 and 2 outside.
Oh yeah. So this and it not this is not heavy.
No, it light. Very nice.
And let me tell you, it looks beautiful on you. And I want to implore you to keep being nice, keep being beautiful, keep taking care of yourself. I really would like to give you a shout out to persons who can bless you up and say you were so cool to Jamaica walk by and being human. You understand? And then see me have a camera in my hand, you're not scared or anything like that, so I'm gonna ask you to subscribe. You have service?
I'm phone here.
Oh right, you left your phone down there so.
No, you gonna fix. Okay.
As a matter of fact, let me find the page where you say you know normally use. Let me make you find it. So at least then on my phone, at least make you tag it just in case if you want some promotion. And we do any business at all, you actually we promote all of them for free. So if you have friends that actually have a business, we will showcase it for free. Yeah man, you come right out. Look good. Your boyfriend and your family must proud of you. Yeah, no joke. I love the hair though. I love the hair. And if you don't look good massive, you can't tell. So I don't fear one, you know, because it blend right in. Can I catch a close up of it? Like,
It pull up.
look, and this pull up, wait, let me catch your Sunday. This pull up, nice, beautiful. You come right out. Yeah man, so I'm trying to get her Instagram, see if I can at least tag her or just bless her up so you can see her on Jamaica walk by. Now come up. Alright, so massive, look good. Let me see. Alright, we'll try to find it in case and thing. But yeah. Alright, bless up yourself and be safe and Fabian again, alright? Mad love, mad respect. Take it easy, cool? Yeah. Really nice girl. She come right out and the politeness start already. You know so massive me I got video the beautiful people them. You understand who we can talk to, we are going to talk to and we are going to hold back our energy. What a great start. You understand? Her name is Jo, you know what I mean? So big up every time. Respect. We don't find her Instagram, it now come up. I don't know why. But yeah. So massive we there in Morant Bay. I'm not sure which part right so we there. But so far, let me see if I can look on the map. So I can go on the name and the description of the place them. See? Yeah, I could do it like that. That way they work more smooth as we go through. See? No joke, no doubt. Alright. Yeah man, let me see if I made this. Alright, so a South Street this. South Street. So we are started off on South Street going. You see me? Alright. So yeah man. So this is a street on our West Street. So we're on West Street right now. Oh, you know, so the market there. Well, I'm going to go look on the market a little bit. And thing. Right on West Street with them. Rockstone, Morant Bay market. Yeah, my teacher, bless up. Jamaica walk by, you know. You know, we have to show the people them the world. How the place look. The boy look like say down here hot pan a Friday too man. As in the market lively. Pumpkin outside, scallion outside, carrot, onion. How much a pound for onion now?
How much is 250 here?
250 a pound. Oh, banana over there so. Yeah mean. I go get a look in at the market here. You know what I mean? Blessed and respect. Greetings, my church sister. Big up. Good evening, good evening. Yeah. Yeah, man. We just a walk through. Good evening, greetings. Jamaica walk by, we just a walk through, you know? Yeah, man. Love and respect. Nice. Blessings. Yeah, so it's my first time actually in a Morant Bay market. Market was actually nice. Look, this recently made. Oh, yeah. Yes, Godfather. Oh, this recently made, don't it? Oh, last year. Nice. Better than all of our market, Lord God. At least people actually inside. Yeah, blessings, respect. Yeah, man. No joke. Can I video some of your food them you're selling? Yeah, man. Jamaicans, we're not supposed to hungry. Look good. Cool sweet pepper, them organic. And I like foreign. When they don't cost me. But them things are really grown in ground. Cabbage, sweet pepper, plantain, tomato, cucumber, turnip. Everything for the soup, everything for the mussel. Not true. I'm introducing it to the channel. If you don't know, it's Jamaica Walk By. So we just walk through, show some love, promote the people, then promote the country in the right way. You understand? Yeah, so the people them can see and the aliens alone over Jamaica and it's all bad things. You know what I mean? Yeah, that is it. My mother selling a market, so once I see a market, I go into the market, go look. You don't know, yeah. And I grew up selling that too, so I know it go. Yeah, good evening, my church sister, blessings and love. Cool no man. Morant Bay. What you mean? Best ride in our house. What you mean? We outside. Good evening, good evening. Yeah. Oh, it's a nice little vibe, nice little chop as we go through. Good evening, Grandma. Yeah, man. Good evening, good evening. Whoa, now what a vibe. That is it. Touch me, the man.
How would it?
Jamaica Walk By this. Yeah, what a energy. One love, one love. Jamaica Walk By. We just a walk. Hey, let me nice here. How you there, man? That is, I a piece of fish and piece of bun.
Yeah.
How you mean? Are you hustler all of them thing? How you mean? Look good. Look how man did them thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Are you make them part there?
Yeah? No, man, buy them.
Buy and sell.
Yeah.
Big up now, man. Look good. Saving pan. All sort of thing man have in here and sell. Look good, man. Every little thing. Honey over there? Honey over there. Castor Isle.
And Malas.
Oh, you mean? Look good now, man. Blessings and respect, man. You're outside.
That's true, man.
One beat. See all the measuring thing over there? You mean? Yes, man. You over here, you have the cup all cutting off, uses as a cup in now, the bottle. Yeah, man. And over here, some Pepsi, some Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Yeah, that is it. Touch me. My love. So where are you guys from, though?
Yeah, about 2 miles drive from here.
Road nice to come down here now, man. Oh, Lord, yes! I was flying. Yes, skis. When I look at this, oh my God, I have to go to Morant Bay and then I check the time. I'm saying like, why is it telling me this short time to reach here?
Yes.
I realized that when I touch it.
The truth about it. When the drivers see the road,
Then just want to let go.
step on the gas.
Yeah, so you have to be in the car being like, slow down, slow down. That is it, man. It's lovely.
Yes.
I remember the bad roads to come down here, you know.
It takes
So,
hours.
yes, so see it beautiful and nice. So I was happy.
Bad road, let us feet pain all
Peeing all over.
tired.
Tired.
Just want to how you go.
Go home.
Go back and
Yeah,
die.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so wanna take it easy. My channel is Jamaica Walk By.
Oh,
Yes, I just walk around, video showcase love. I see, I see all of that over there, and I don't let them stay on the ground, you know. No, this one is so pretty and beautiful as well. I have a saving pan at home that do well with these. Yeah, I just put them in the pan and them grow.
You know, my grandson told
Yeah.
me that I'm transparent bag with when the boy found 330 had that one. He said, Zidane, what you did with those? He said, Mama, that's the one I want. He said, you shouldn't take them from the man. You shouldn't take them then.
Now it is so great that you save up your silver and you just put them in the machine and the machine count it for you and give you paper money. Come through with the world class equipment. Buy them, don't it? Alright, wanna take it easy and have fun here? I hope to God that I can live to see you guys age. You understand? You're 28?
82.
28. Okay, 28. I got you, man. How old are you two?
What you say the boy?
82.
She said she's 28.
Yeah, 82. 82, he said.
Yeah, how old are you?
Me. I'm telling you how old am I?
Yeah.
Me 84.
Oh, use 48. We have to flip these numbers around, man. You looking beautiful and all these things. I can't put them age there.
84. Next month, you're 85.
80. Listen, I'm just hoping that I can live to see the 70s or the 60s and thing, you know, that is super blessing, you know. Yeah, man, want to take it easy. One love. Yeah, man, touch it. That is it. Strong and healthy.
If we listen to our radio, we can hear. If we watch the television,
I'm on YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. That is it. Alright, now take it easy, alright? Blessings and love. So let me see if I can find something on can buy and drink. You know? Actually just make it warm, you know what I mean? Put something else on the table. Oh, I mean. So, oh yes, so let's big up on yourself. Put it over here. So wanna use that and buy something and drink and enjoy ourselves, okay? One love. Figure that. Godfather, let's them buy and drink. Alright. Blessing. You're not? You're going to, man. I know you're going to buy and drink and have fun. Alright? Bless up. Take it easy. Yeah, man. So we're outside, massive. Look good. Massive, we just walk through, anything goes. Anything goes. Yeah. Morant Bay. So we're just going back this direction so you can see exactly where I was. So I entered the market house down that side. So this is what it looks like. So I don't want to cut out anything. So let me show you. See. Look good. Alright, we're not cut out now. Big up yourself. Hold on, let me teach. I'm very cross. Alright, so you don't know. Thank you. So we actually enter it down there. So this is the part where we skip out. So you can see it. Look good. Oh, you mean? As you move through. So yes, massive. We're there. Morant Bay town. No joke, no doubt. Yeah. We just a walk through massive, not up plan. You see me? We just a look on the place. See what I go on. Which street this here? So this is a Queen Street right now. Yeah. Alright, so I could go down the road. So I can see what I go on. So I can see that part here as we go through. Jamaica walk by one. No, my friend. Jamaica walk by in them town today. Today are different things. How do they put the work or something they put it like now? Yeah, my teacher, bad thing. Yeah. Ends. Outside, man. Big up. Yeah, man. Look good. Yeah, my teacher, blessings and respect. One Jamaica walk by, we outside. We are showing the world. Go good. Big super, I know see a few place in a year ends. But look good. So right as a Rosemary Lane. I could go down a little bit further. And a Queen Street this. So I show you a little bit of in-depth of the place. You know what I mean? I say a dancer can give me pace. I see her work on the routine. Come in, don't be shy now. Moment of fame. What you say? You can dance? No, alright, big up yourself, my teacher. No joke. Look good. Alright, so we're on Queen Street. So I'm just go right down here so you can see Queen Street. You understand? There's so much church in Morant Bay. Didn't realize that there was so much church here. Alright, so this is as far as I will come on Queen Street, this direction. You understand? Yeah. I will go back up in the heart of the town. Yeah. Rosemary Lane, this one. Well, so far, Morant Bay have a nice little vibe. Yeah, man, see a dance now. Now go on. Yeah, man. The church sister. You're the right by Rosemary Lane, I go and chop it. Jamaica walk by One Love and big up here. Yeah, man. That is it. So right here, also right by the sign here, so Rosemary Lane. Rosemary Lane, that is it. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. See there, watch it thing. Big up and respect, but I love always. How we are jogging iPad here? Me see him one. Let me see an iPad. Let me see your Kung Fu boy look. Why? Rich! Story partner, my friend! Yes! Lord! This is a bit, I go circle your heads because I go drink some of this. Look good, rich. Big up everything. It's so nice that you watch the channel. You understand? Blessings and love, man. I'm going to come back and support you. Yeah, man. You understand? I hope the soup not done. Yeah, man. I was in Spanish Town the other day, walking through.
From Aglipa. When you say I walk from Aglipa,
yeah,
come down here, the brother they from
yeah, what you think, man? Touch it, man. One love and respect. So, I'm doing an episode right now on Morant Bay. Okay. So, let's walk through Morant Bay video, reason the people, them, see what go on. So, nicely. We have Kung Soup over here, my friend. That is it. You don't drink Kung Soup? Good day, good day. Blessings, man. Yeah, man, that's what I stay, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, I go and walk through before the place get too dark, you know? One love, yeah. Rub through with teacher. That is it. I'm on the circle, that lady. You understand? Yeah, blessings with teacher, respect. Outside. Boy, look like a hot spot this. Big up my friend. Now, some have to catch piece of hot spot. You understand my church sister? Jamaica walk by YouTuber. Nah, man, over here, sir. Yeah. Anyone me see crowd line up, you know, me know it's something great if you go on over there. You understand? I like my friend. See, I ask if I feel, I feel when you're doing, make sure, you know, man, you're thirsty. Drinks is on me. Jamaica walk by. Boy, look like you have a goodies out here, man. Look good, man. So, I see festival in there. Look like a barbie fried chicken there, so. Yeah. A barbecue. See it then, man. Oh, you mean? Me teacher, big up yourself, man. Jerk pork over here, so. That look like a theme spot. Look good. Oh, Rockstone. How this name again? Kisco? Or Sky Juice? Okay, that is it, me teacher. You understand? Look good. At the hot spot. No joke, no doubt. Yes, my friend. Hey, the lady has shaped goodie, man. Lord of mercy. You married yet? No. You're not married yet? Come be surprised you're still out there in the world, man. You should have come off of your list long time. Eh? Godfather, if you rate this lady out of 10, how much you give her? 10? Lord of mercy, look good. When lady good, over 10. Mommy, you hear that? He said over 10. A 10 me give me now. And he gone with it. That is it, man. One love. You come right out. Oh, Morant Bay, go on. The place nice and thing. Yeah, man. So far, I like the response so far. I'll pay for your drinks for you. You understand? No joke, no doubt. That is it. You understand? Yeah. You give the money. You give him the money already? Alright. You give him the money already? No, give me, man. Me pay for you. You understand? So, I spread some love today. Me nice, clean set. Me like our outfit. tie and dye outfit she come out in. You understand? Look on the slippers. Whoa, nice. She come right out. How from mother this man? You have any kids?
Of course.
How you mean, man? Oh, yo, no matter come out clean in the town. That is it. You understand? I love it. You understand? Morant Bay. We there. You understand? What's the man name again?
Lennox himself.
Lennox himself. I know Lennox Lewis. Lennox himself. That is it, man. No joke, no doubt. You understand? How much is it?
Look, yeah.
Oh, money pork. Oh, you mean, man?
Yes,
Figure that.
pork, you know?
How much you owe you? You want pork to me, friend? You buy it too? Oh, yes, man. Take a piece of pork, man. Me just sponsor you today and just done. So the drinks and the pork. We can't have video and showcase all of the beauty of the world and can't sponsor you. That no exists, man. I lie? We say more sweet. Yeah, man. We can't have video. Look how she come out. We can't have video like this and pay for your food.
More like a black the
I whole of Morant Bay me I walk.
black the clock where
The clock.
it's the wrong time.
Where's the wrong time? All the whole of the clock is the wrong time too. So I just don't get alone. Yes. Yeah, man, the big woman come out nice, man. Look good. Eh? If she a big woman now in a few days and she come out like she just born last week. Eh? Look for shape. Don't play with me Jamaican ladies. Them. Me have to big them up. Me love them. Yes. So we're right on Queen Street, and it's just a blessing. Come through Jamaica Post Office, ladies. Big up every time. Lord, what you love? Oh, you mean? That is it. Yeah. Queen Street with the massive as we walk through and thing. No joke, no doubt. Oh, you mean? Yeah, man, I'm done, so me forward. So what me I go do you know is me I try go through the whole of Morant Bay. We just walk through whole of vibe, whole of energy. You understand? All the taxi man them we are work with today. True. How you mean? That is it. Yeah, I don't know what to them card and I want to charge up the device. You understand? Let's do it like this. Oh yeah, right on. Oh, the road at Queen Street. Queen Street. Yes. All right. Nice. Good. Yes, man. 850. No, man. I tell you, I'm paying for it. I'm paying for it, man. You understand? I'm paying for it. Yeah, man. I'm spreading some love today. Yeah, me. It's all love today. Alright. Look like it good, guy. You know, move from your seat and it almost done. Oh, yeah, I'll tap it up. You're smart. She make sure just want to sip it for early so she can get that tap up. Yes, man. You come right out. Big up yourself. You hear that elbow bumps. Mad love. One more look for the crowd. Look how the lady sexy man have come out. Big up every time, man. Jamaica walk by. See it here, my friend. Collect fear there. Me have a father and come circle with me done work. And things so I can try to the sky juice. I can't eat for the work. I don't get lunch yet. Not at all. Yeah. You don't know Lennox. Here with the Lennox. Yeah, I want video before it dark and I want people to see place the real true color, you know? Yeah. Big up yourself and respect. Look how more, you hear me, teacher? Respect. That is it. Yeah, massive. So we're up on Queen Street, we are going through. Yes, fire. Let's do this. So massive, if you know me, I do some mistake, who me can help. When the food done, it done. You understand? We just help who we can help go through. Bad bite them. Look good now, man. Mad thing. I don't want to feel. Mad thing, but look good. Morant Bay. Yeah. So we just go through Morant Bay. All like massive, them a food no town this year. Let me hear it in the comment section. Who for town this? If a food no town this year. Yeah, let's go. Don't know a whole heap of food in Morant Bay. All sort of thing. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right, so we'll go around to the court side, I know. To the court side, I know. Morant Bay, good day, good day. Yeah, man, the town nice and festive. It's a good energy. That is it. Blessed, blessed, greetings, greetings. Yeah, man. Nice. So we just walk through massive and I see how the place looking at 2024 Morant Bay. So far the people them been nice. I feel a nice warm ambience down here. And I don't think, grandma, the place is beautiful. The place is nice. You ducked out in your red and thing. We say you know mismatch. Come through now, grandma.
No,
One love. Jamaica. How old are you?
97.
90 what?
7.
You're 19?
97.
19. Blessed love. This is a real year?
Yes, it
Almighty, look at that. Nice, almighty. So 90, I hope to God we can at least live in 90.
90.
80. You're not, 70 good. Much less up at 90. If you see 97 years old and you're walking inside a Morant Bay, strong and fit, carrying your nice bag in your hand. Same way. God no good?
Bless.
Eh? All the time. You don't even look like you have a complaint.
No, I don't.
You don't. So Morant Bay is where you grew up from?
No, I'm from St. Elizabeth.
From St. Elizabeth. That is it, man. Send a big up, man. Big up some people where you grew up with and who. Big up anybody?
No, I don't have anybody there to big up.
What about your husband?
I don't have no husband.
Oh, no husband. So you have any kids?
No.
No kids. All right, then. More love and respect. Good nice meeting. What's your name again?
I didn't tell you and I won't be
Oh, your
telling
name?
you.
Oh, all right. One love. My name is Fabian. Jamaica Walk By.
My name is Edinia.
Miss it?
Miss Edinia.
Miss Edinia, one love, and it's so nice speaking to you. God
And to
blessings
you.
you.
Bless you.
And we just walk your showcase Morant Bay to the world, to our beautiful people, the nice island and stuff. One love, all right?
And to you too.
Good day. Nice. 97? I wonder if we can live this so long. Touch me, though, man. Look at touch it in my bean. 100 you want go. That is it. A big woman, you know? 90-year-old. Ja, no, man. Blessings, all right? Take it easy. Oh, them God are going to make me say 90-year-old. Boy, God, I would be so grateful and oh my. Blessed. Nice. Morant Bay. Oh, you mean? So around us now, clock, the courts. We street this now. Yeah, man. So we're currently on West Street. This is West Street. Yeah, so this is pretty much what it looks like. You know what I mean? Right on West Street. Yeah. Wanna see it for a long time, for no time. You understand? Yeah, West Street. Which part of the clock them, my boss? The clock. When we go down there, so we turn left. Turn right, go so. Oh, we have. Alright, big up, see? Yeah, man. So we have the courts. I don't know. On West Street. I remember just walk a little bit up and so. I can see what I'm going. I don't really want to cut out nothing too tough. You understand? Because a place might look away. That's some persons might not find it to be interesting. But some persons might. You know? And really appreciate it. Maybe the owner for that place, yeah? You understand? Yeah. Bless up, Mr. Officer. Respect. Yeah. Let me see. Look good. What do you mean? Yeah. Oh, there's actually a nice plaza on this side too as well. See, lucky thing we did forward on that side. As we go through Morant Bay. Yeah. Nice. Tip top complex. That is it. Alright, so I go walk through. I wonder if we can turn right over so. Greetings, my friend. Can't show it on Jamaica walk by. Beautiful ladies. Let me give you a shout out by your Instagram, man. Come, man. Look how you come out nice and thing, man. Here, well done. You just a walk so clean like you just bathed and all. Let me give you a shout out. What's your Instagram? You have TikTok? No TikTok? So you know use social media? I beg of you subscribe to my YouTube, see? Alright, Jamaica walk by. Alright, my friend. Yeah, massive. That is it. That is just us. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just walk to the end of the road here and turn right. Because it looks like we can actually go that side and turn right. And show about the spot where we never did, the lane we never did walk on. You see? Yeah. Let's do that. So massive, you know from me see the beautiful ladies in the street, I am going to try and talk to them or AG them. I don't say me talk to everybody, but me not go talk to the man them like how me talk to the woman them. And me not go talk to the woman the way me talk to the man them. You understand? So yeah, nice hard way around or something. So we're up on East Street. This is East Street. Yeah, man. Ah, oh, the hardware central list. Yeah. Yeah, me tell you, Jamaica walk by, yeah. Come through driver. Yeah. So this is East Street. Good evening. As we go through. Yeah. So the road there where we are go back on now, I see Queen Street. So I'm going to show you the local part where we skip out and we have to coordinate the thing, you know? Ah. Oh, yeah, man. Look good. Yeah, man. Alright, so look.
Yeah.
Down the side I did there a while ago. You understand? Because we're back on Queen Street. Good day. Yeah, as the sun clearing away, eye. No joke. And when I go there, I go walk up the side there. And then I turn, based on way up there, so see? See? Let's coordinate it. Greetings. There's another juicy beef here. No, it's only juicy beef. The one we see around this was a tasty. Yeah. I don't know, there's a squash over here. So. Full of sayang over this. So. Yeah, see me again. We find him again.
Simple thing. Me and me can redeem yourself. Yeah? Redeem yourself. You good? Alright, simple thing me ask you. You ready? Alright, what is OBEAH?
250,000.
No, me ask you what is this word? OBEAH. Them a try help you, you know. I'm gonna give you the last word.
make sure you load, right?
Alright. What is S-O-A-K?
Big up yourself.
What is S-O-A-K? Okay? Who? Alright then. Give her the hustling. See me? She have a hustler voice. Yeah,
Sell me something.
Give me the hustler voice.
Ladies, stuff and children, but a 500.
500.
See a lot for the good to them at 500.
Good to
One
them.
contact and looking at the store at 500. Me now want a price. 500.
See a lot.
See a lot
Sir,
for the
come
good
over
to
here,
them
sir.
at 500.
Everything I go 500.
500. Give the
See a
voice.
lot for the good to them at 500. Ladies and children,
See a
but
lot.
500.
See a lot.
Contact and looking at the store.
See a lot.
Me now want a price. 500.
Everything got to go. Quick, see a small profit. Outside 500.
Yo,
Ladies
hold on.
and silver plus 500.
What's down there?
Now want a price. 500.
500.
One contact and looking at the store at 500. See a lot for the customer at 500.
Yo, Jamaica, the best.
500.
Yo, if Jamaica had the space in the world, the blows and skirt. That is it, man.
Customer 500. Ladies and children plus 500. One contact and looking at the store at 500. Me now want a price.
None.
500. See a lot people at 500. Over here at 500.
Blows and
See a lot for the
skirt.
good to them at 500.
No, sir.
Ladies and children plus 500.
No, sir.
Me now want a price. 500.
500,
See a lot for the good to them at 500.
500, 500.
Ladies and children plus 500.
You have to buy.
See a lot for the good to them at 500.
You have to buy.
Some of people at
You know what?
500.
No, but you have to sell. That is it. We can't dash out for free. No, sir. That is it, man. Everywhere we go. Let me throw some change over here. Everywhere you best side there. Come in. You're not sitting up here going. Come, push in like it. Push up in like it. Hey, push in like it. Push like it. Yeah, man. Show out in like it. You can't dare. 500. We are selling.
500.
500 people, 500 over here at 500.
Everything.
Ladies and children, at 500. See a lot for the good to them at 500. Me now want a price.
Really? And our normal woman this is
No,
you understand
the voice. I say, Mama, you have an eagle voice. I say, Mama, you have an eagle voice. Mama, hear it. Just give me it. I say, whoa. American Got Talent.
Yo, you people, you going now? Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. See me, I say no? Yo, yard nice. I get me, I say, so there. Yard nice. Mr. Brother, hey.
Morant Bay be nice, bro.
Yeah.
Good vibe. See that? She not even pay. We no mind and I say sell.
Oh, sister.
Big up every time, man. Respect. The artist. You have to be the artist. Cause you have got DJ now. We say the teacher. Big up and respect. Seal it now, man. Fully. Easy. So what is a bad artist? That is the one. Rolling. You have got DJ something. You understand? So you have got DJ. Give out the social where we can find the music and all of that. Cause Morant Bay with there.
You don't know an expert official. You start with X, not E, on YouTube. You see me? Yeah, man, I don't know say. We have a big song when name Haunted Crux. So they on YouTube to the video, they on YouTube to everything. You understand? Yeah.
Yeah, give it a minute. Give it 2 lines, man. You have to do it, man. You have to do it, man. Give it, please.
From your this we are warrior start, we not take no talk, you get a head chop off harbor, rifle clock make man head part, Haunted Crux love run program pan boy. From your this we are warrior start, we not take no talk, you get a head chop off harbor, rifle clock make man head part, Haunted Crux love run program pan boy.
Touch it there by seal. That is it. You hear me say? Oh, you be see there. And then alright, see there. So we are acknowledging artists. So right now on YouTube, we say experts start with the X.
Official start with the X.
And that's at the Instagram, TikTok too.
Yeah, man, TikTok, Instagram, everything.
And we say new tune name again on YouTube.
Haunted Crux it name.
The Haunted Crux.
Yeah, I don't know we have one when name Sane.
Sane.
So we are say Tell crime stop, prepare for crime scene, Glock clean, figure step in them scheme and make people scream. Bring the M16 and 2 magazine, me I go dream. Them this it and I make it and get mean. When the rifle beat all who a skin teeth, drop on the ground and a blood clot bleed. It's the same so me do it and me no cater. Hold on, attack tough but them not have the guts. Rise the Uzi and clot it up. Be a blood them coughing up. One of them say shot up on me gun. Yes.
Hey, fully active. That is, hey, I greatest thing we have all a virgin fully support your music, you know, can see it, you know. Seal it now, man. That is it, you hear that?
Yo, father, big up yourself, you know.
Oh, you mean? Yo, J, seal it. Seal it. That deal with it. Big up every time. Respect for stop by, see? That is it. Rolly. So easy. You understand, boy? Me I walk through, I know me not done, you know. Still a walk. You understand? No, man, I probably night I go forward before me done, man. I just go and walk through. You understand? We want see me can done a memory card. The people them want to see place. And so far place nice.
Everywhere?
Yeah, I just a walk.
Every corner?
Just a walk. Anywhere it lead, me just a walk. Oh, you mean? Yes, you're a lady. My friend, make you subscribe to the channel. Jamaica Walk by Scene. I have RolleySoEasy. You know the service, me have your hotspot, you know.
Lady,
yeah, man.
subscribe, my lady. Take out the phone and subscribe.
You know, subscribe. Wait, watch out, see a smile on me. No, see a pretty look that, you know. A pretty look she get in a Rolly.
No.
See smile come after that. That is it, man. Oh, you mean? Manners and love. I'm not take it easy. Look how she come out. She come right out. Oh, you mean? That is it. Rolly. What's she there?
See, I say.
You mean? Me like support me people them. Where you say? Come here, my friend. Talk to. Where say all them here too?
Yeah, man,
all them here. Me say you have a world vice.
Ladies
Shirt them nice.
See the shirt them over here. 3,045.
That is it.
See a lot. See a lot for them shirt. $4,000 and $5,000 gear shirt.
Easily.
See a lot over here, so. See a lot for them shirt over here, so people. See a
Oh
lot
my
for the
word.
shirt, 4-5 gear shirt.
Hey, touch me again. You're too bad. Big up yourself, man. That is it. Oh, you mean, Rolly?
Yeah.
We're deep on the juggling again.
Yo, guidance here.
Yeah, make it all I'm gonna see you again.
No, we there. I'm gonna shoot my outro.
Oh,
so
good.
Then, after my shoot
you know,
my
it's
outro,
me park. My park right side of you.
Yeah.
So, from you see my van, I know me still there. Alright, look over. Yeah, me there.
Yeah, least, man.
Figure that.
That is it.
Oh, you mean, we're outside again. How you mean? Sister, we have to live good. How you mean? We have to work together. Everybody grow together. See us selling over here, so look good now, man. Not, hey, massive, listen, none of them things are put out for stay right as a decoration. I sell them, I said. You understand? We have a big shots for the baby them, for the youths them. Look good. Look good. You understand? Shots to the man them too. We have shots to the grandfather, we have shots to the young youth, them teenager, everybody. Look all in the back. Jean shots in there. Look good. You think a decoration, I sell them myself. Right in a Morant Bay town with it. Look good now, man. You understand? Think of decoration. Also, we are also Justice League. Look good. Send the kids them come. We have to close them out. So right away with it. Right at the Jane Bank. Don't play with the chap. How you mean? The things are a decoration. I sell them myself. Blessings and respect. You hear that? No joke. That's how we do it. See how the hot man over here, so. Jaja, no. Blessings. You hear me, teacher? Respect. How you mean? Outside. So we walk up in a RolleySoEasy and the crew again as we go through. Yeah, man. Queen Street with the park. Yeah, man. Outside. DJ, big up again, you know, man. Oh, you mean? A Jamaica Walk by me, I drop this Sunday, see?
Yeah.
Me, I drop it Sunday. But Jamaica Walk by YouTube channel.
Jamaica Walk by.
Yeah.
Alright.
Big up it time, every time. Look good.
Yeah.
Outside. Yeah, massive. My friend, I beg you subscribe to Jamaica Walk by now. You know, like see, beautiful people them in the street. You understand? Touch me, man. Then say beautiful ladies and shy. I like saying the ladies and beautiful, me can talk to you know. Why beautiful ladies always just humble? I like that. You come right out. Nice little outfit. Lord of mercy. Jamaica, walk by. Can I give your Instagram a shout out? Do you mind? What's your Instagram?
It's Anya.
It's Anya. Let me find it.
It's Anya.
Oh, it's Sanya?
Anya.
Anya. I'm going to make you find it. Because I don't want when time I put it on the screen, I make no mistake. Alright, so you can find you there. And Jamaica. Alright. Alright, so I say, look, we are finding it and she'll go subscribe live. See? Jamaica walk by. So that is this is the channel right here. So let me just click on the logo right here. And you subscribe. Yay! Thank you. Oh, Roxo reached 150,000 subscribers. That's wonderful. Yes, and this is your Instagram. So Dolly, look good. Massive look. Dolly. So this is our Instagram. Let me follow you. Alright, so this is our Instagram right there. It's Sanya.
Anya.
Oh, I forgot the S don't count after you say it's.
Yeah.
So it's Anya _. I'm gonna make sure I put it on the screen. Yeah, you do YouTube?
Yeah.
Hey, RolleySoEasy, that's a Twitter. Yeah, man.
Rolly and him girlfriend.
Yeah, RolleySoEasy, right, that's all. So, you have Jamaica Walk By. So, what's your YouTube channel?
It's Anya as well.
Same way?
Yeah.
So massive. How much subscribers you want to get now?
16,000.
16,000.
Yeah.
Alright, so you're on your way to 16,000?
Yeah, I'm at 15,400.
So you're on your way to 20. We don't just say 16, we square it off. So massive, she need like about 4,000 mash to reach 20,000. When I just follow her, see that she come right out. What's your YouTube channel is about?
Basically about me, my lifestyle, you know.
Yeah, you do traveling, a little bit of everything. You say a little cooking too.
Lifestyle, fashion, you name it.
Massive, when you follow her, she nice. We just book her up in our street, massive. We can't make up this. You understand? She's a beautiful person. We can just feel her spirit. She subscribe. As a matter of fact, me subscribe to your channel now. Cause so we have to do it, you know. YouTube. You understand? Although you know if you work YouTube, find a channel and make you subscribe to it. Massive, so I'm starting it off. You understand? We're gonna get her to the 20,000 subscribers. That's it. You go on the page, click the subscribe button, man. Click on notification too. You understand? That is it. You click all. So let's check out our channel. This is our channel right here. The backdrop real, the board done nice, the profile picture hot and look good. She have 15,400 subscribers. That is great. Let's see right here. Alright, see some more videos here. So the last one there is like getting my seamless tape in ear extension done. Mad thing.
Yeah, that's a collab. The Sheen one is a collab too.
Oh, it's for Sheen. That is it. Big up to Sheen. I soon reach out to me more time, but me not get to that yet. But we soon deal with all of them thing, the mad thing. Alright, so massive, when you subscribe to your channel, this is it. Get her to the 20,000. You know what I mean? You know that I did a collab with a YouTuber and I get over 15,000 subscribers in 2 days.
Really?
Yes. And I did another one with a guy and I get over like 5,000 subscribers in a day. Just the other day. You understand? So collaboration is key, and to getting other YouTubers to shout you out. You understand? So I'm asking all my YouTubers, you understand? Sit there. I'm here to look good. I'm in the streets of Morant Bay with...
It's Anya.
That is it. That's she know YouTube work. Big up and love. And we have an Instagram, we have a YouTube, and everything is a go. So one more time, massive, as we go through, blessings and respect. Let me see you walk. Man. It's really so easy to write down the so. Alright, big up my friend. That is it. So nice in Morant Bay, massive, as we go through. It is just beautiful. You understand? Yeah. So what we are going to do now is there's a lane down there, so let me see which lane is that. Let's see. Deptas. Big up yourself for that info. Hear me, teacher? Yeah. So that is Deptas lane. Who said that? Oh, my thought is somebody else. That is it. Look as we go through. So we still there on Queen Street. So we are going around a little bit around the corner here. And then we just go through again. I know me a showcase every little thing. You watch Jamaica Walk By. Come give me a hug now, my sister. Come man. I mean, come on. Come on, embrace me. Give me some love. Look good. We're in the street. Blessings and love, man.
When they have the carnival.
Yeah, they watch the carnival. They just watch the people. I walk around that place. No clothes in that van, you know. You see people that walk around that clothes. Big up yourself. Yeah, head to go in. Match at $12,000 head to go in there. Me and my virgin alone at $24,000.
Yeah.
You understand?
I'm here to
It can't work. No. You go in there go showcase them place and then still pay them for do it.
Yeah.
Can't work. Me have to stay out the door.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean blessings and love. I me see him one love here. Big up somebody before me left, man.
Watch us straight, man.
Figure that. Bishop, big up somebody. Shout out to somebody.
Big up my son, Ricky.
Big up Ricky. Yeah.
Duan and Talia, my daughter.
Big up every time.
Yeah.
And all of your family and friends.
All of my family and friends.
Figure because they will cuss you. And say you go big up them alone and you know say family and friend. Then no, you can't call all of them name, you know.
Jamaica walk by.
That is it, man. Lord. Every teacher touch with them, man. You can't pay for that. Big up every time. See? Yeah, my friend. See how my friend there so I get to see that. Make sure you buy shoes. Eh? Sunil, let me see if I Sunil. You go to my place, but if I remember now.
Moko Ras Kitchen.
No, me not go Ras Kitchen yet. That's somebody else. Yeah, me not reach a Ras Kitchen yet. And me and my friend, Ozzy. Ozzy did that down there, so. What you say? I saw your shoes, bossy. Oh, you mean, man? Yeah, watch a dolly, Lord, touch me, man. Jesus! Easy! Yeah, you come out, though. I'll tell you, say, all for your young days, now you're running ground. Yeah, man, all the young boy, them up here say, hey, that is Patsy over there, you know? What's her name? What's her name? Jean. They would have said, Lord, I just love Jean. Don't think Godfather. Oh, Jean is so nice on YouTube. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Then this is a hot sister and have to show up on YouTube, man. Come through, though, man. Blessings, alright? Cool. You take care of yourself. Nice. Hair fan nice and head highbrow down here ringing. Hey, you can, love it. Big up yourself. You hear that? Yeah, she come on. Oh, you mean, my teacher? Big up. Yeah, so we're up here. Queen Street to the party over here. Browning. One nice lady over there, so I shout you. Alright, so we're not really going further down there, so. And sitting with us are going easier, so. Lord have mercy. What's a beauty I come. Are you walking that camera now? Come through, my friend. Lord have mercy, come through. I'm that blind if me not see you. You understand? Let me give you Instagram and shout out them, man. Now, everybody knows there's a bonnet here for you. And I me wear bonnet too. Look at me here, see me here nice. Let me put on my bonnet. I make sure I pull up my good ear. You come right out. I'm glad say you close the section of the street here. Big up yourself, man. Look good, massive. See there? She turn off. Bless up here. Subscribe to you. Jamaica walk by. That is it. Alright, massive. So that is for Queen Street. So we are go back round. Yeah, teacher. Alright. So you don't know Queen Street, so we are head down and when they say Depths. Oh, seaside, huh? Look good. Yeah, man. Figure that as we go through Morant Bay. My friend, I beg you to subscribe. I see you on the phone. You have service. Beg you to subscribe to my YouTube, please. You can do that to me. Oh, just that I tell you. I saw you go. You can subscribe to Jamaica Walk by this, please. That showcase Morant Bay. More if you watch the video and see yourself tonight, Sunday. Jamaica Walk by. Big up here. Yeah. I mean, you know, say I beg her to do something for me and attack her out over fire. That is it, man. I mean, take blame. Yeah, look over. Outside. So we're on Depths Street. Oh, you mean? Jamaica Walk by. Look good. Which part is that? Oh, you see a barber shop? Oh, yeah, but you know something have to showcase the business there, man. Can't pass it. You understand? Look good. So General say make sure say me get an official blast. Top notch. I see two youth like myself in there. Sometimes you don't know if a female, you understand? What? Why? You could have shown me for why? How over the this? Look, yeah, my friend. No, sir. No, sir. Look good. No, sir. Come here, my friend. Come here, my friend. You have to give out the Instagram and all them something. People don't go and follow you. Lord have mercy, man. Come here. No, go on and come. Go on and come. We are here. Right now, she gone. Which place is our name? Diego Liquor. You understand, massive? So if you want to find the dolly, a Diego Liquor, you have to forward. Come spend half the money, man. The dolly them is here. Oh. Listen me, alright, that's what I see dolly now. So here we go on now. The dolly end up buy liquor over here, so I go sell over there, so. I go in the sports place and all of them things. They don't circle all of the ends if you want to find the dolly. You understand? Just pretend say your car broke down. And you just go over there so go buy one part. And just say, you know, say me want a drink though. And you just come over there, go liquor place. That is it. Dolly man, look good. Jesus. No, I don't worry myself. I just want to when I see them, if I create excitement, you know. You understand? But them know, man. Oh, you mean? She come right out. Me love the outfit. You understand? The face, the pamphlet. Me case I come out and shop, make we talk. Man, the people never go on the ground. You understand? See it there. There goes the liquor. Your number jump off. Over 876 left. So somebody can no sign no number no them. 579 what? 58972 Dali. Well, I have to cut out the number. Dali, come here, man. Beg you stop, man. Easy, man. Yeah. How the Instagram go? Tell me your Instagram. See that? Yeah, we're gonna find. We're gonna talk about the bar. Find Instagram, cause you now make my supporters then cuss me. Me I gonna put it on the screen, so you have to find the Instagram, so me can sure. None of my general them a foreign about Morant Bay and go cuss me. Jesus, look on the dolly, man. Come right out, man. Me love the outfit, yeah. Yeah, man. We are finding Instagram today. The G them gonna broke their neck in your DM. Oh, you mean? Look good. Yes. So, see the dolly on Instagram, me a support her, same way. Alright. We can come over bar too? Alright, we are going over bar. Tell the G them say we are going to showcase the bar. Oh, you mean? Top notch. Auto parts place, you understand? No joke before we go in our bar with dolly there. Where G them, remember what the camera to do first? Big up, respect. I know some most of generally I want to go on a camera now, but I want to showcase our business, you understand? So I hold it on it down. And yes, sir. Now we still a record, man, because I know from Jamaica walk by is all real, all natural. You understand? So all of my massive them, see ends away dolly a chill out. You understand? We not show a G them, but you don't know a place pack up. Look good, top shelf, YouTube. So look good. See all the gambling thing that found the money in the man, you know want money out of the machine. Put money in and you get money out. You understand? No joke, no doubt. You understand? Top shelf liquor. Look good. Jamaica walk by. You know what I get this on the camera? Alright, come inside the car. The man they want to see daddy my friend. I have to show off with daddy them. Yeah, you understand? Enough of my general them, I bust a foreign, you know. When we showcase the man them at Jamaica to in and whitey then say, yo, what me couldn't ask the youth for Instagram. I want to check it out. Where them reach a foreign. So see that? So Dolly control a little spot here. Yes, she come right out. We have a TV them in here. We have a poker box them, all of them thing there. On the forward down as a right on Deptas Street, right? Yeah. Deptas Street. You understand? The place nice and cool too. We have to take a 5. What you mean? Look good, clean and nice. So all of the eye roller them, all of the general them, for and support the ins and the man. You understand? See there, she cool. What's her name again? Beyonce? Yeah, so our Instagram, so we get our Instagram, so our Instagram name sexy_Beyonce_15. We can't miss. When you go broke on the neck in our DM, try on the look, me no business. Yo, me not even know if my boyfriend in our shop. Jesus, forgive me. Forgive me. But you don't know a thing go. You understand? So, nice, look good. See that? Let me show you one on the screen. Look good, I dolly this. Lord, look good. Dolly. See that look good. Whoa! Figure that. Look good. Yo, well, we're not top of the screen. See that? We're top of the screen. Yeah, we're not use the copyright. You understand? Let me give her some. See that? We'll show some love same way. That is it. Look good. So you can go check out our Instagram and follow her and thing. You understand? Your outfit will beat them bad. You understand? We have got you. Mad love, mad respect. Big up yourself. Touch it and seal it. See? Take it easy. Now catch a G them. So we could do like this. Then now catch that some man. Don't worry yourself, man. You put that man. You come right out, man. I want to tell man. We don't see nothing, man. You see nothing? You see nothing? We don't see a thing, man. We don't... So when that Sunday. I put out on today or Friday. So that's Sunday. Sunday evening we'll drop it. See? Tally. Right. What's your name again? Jamaica walk by. Yeah, so I follow you on the gram, man. You can, so if anything, you just message me or shot me a DM and I send you the link to the video. See? Jamaica walk by. See it again. One more time for the dolly. Look good. Big up yourself. The old cute. Look good. Oh, do it again. Me not catch you good. Do it again. Hey, you see that Gino over there? So I rate. Thank you, yeah? Thank you for showing me Jamaica them walk one in Jamaica. You hear that? You're a real one. Big up it. I'm good thing that I can't talk about. Cause YouTube don't like it. You understand? But you big up yourself, you hear that? Beyonce. No, you can't say it, but we just can't show you and them thing there. Jamaica walk by. Yeah man, a Sunday me I drop a video here. You see it? Yeah man, subscribe to the thing man, Jamaica walk by. Hey, I thumbnail you just give me a while ago, you know? You're the best. Yes man, big up yourself, Beyonce. Look how more massive, we're outside. Yeah, what a vibe in a Morant Bay. Oh my word, security, blessings. Whole heap a new place and thing, you understand? I hope me not miss the work, I would just walk through. Careful. You can't make me catch up on camera and fling off by people them data. You understand? The general go see that no one can circle your ends. You understand what I say? Jamaica walk by. You hear me? Figure that man. How you mean? Look good. Why am I not a dancer? Why am I? My youth them a dance. Where my dancer there? Where I'm going? Oh, I'm girls. You know what I'm doing, man. Oh, see, my dolly I come through again. Big up yourself. Are your wife? Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, you're blessed, man. Figure that. How you mean? Why am I? No dancer, no DJ. Come in, man. And now move, so. Hold on to me, elder. Yeah, man. Morant Bay. Big up on yourself, I beg you to subscribe to my YouTube too, yeah? You're not on a phone. How come you're not on a phone? Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Your hair look good though. You mind my video, yeah? You can't afraid of the camera, no, beautiful ladies. No, come out, man. You come out, man. You're outside. Big, why your Instagram? Come and give a shout out. Or your TikTok go? Or your Instagram go? Come here, man. Eh? Or Instagram go? Find it. Make you give a shout out. Find it. Make you shout you out. Come in. Beautiful people, not shy, man. Find the Instagram. No more video it so people can see and. Yeah, man. You come out nice in the street, man. We are going to video you. See it there? Alright, see it there? So see it there. You know me always support people. Although she don't have no post, me still follow her and showcase her. You have to send me back a message so I can send her the link so you can see yourself. See? Yes, man. You can come out. I expect so we're not going to showcase with ladies in Jamaica. Look good. Wall of Morant Bay. Bless up my teacher. Respect. Outside with it. There are some businesses everywhere. Lord have mercy. Outside with it. So remember to tell her to subscribe to my YouTube. Jamaica walk by. You come right out. Figure that. Easy. I mean, look good. Jamaica walk by. See? Remember again, one more time. Jamaica. That is it. Big up yourself. You hear that? Outside. Look good. There. How you mean? Alright, so we don't know which we never walk that way there, so let me see what the name of that place is. Alright. Let me look. Alright, so we're currently standing up at, let me see. Alright. So with the right South Street. South Street. Yes, so South Street in that direction there. And thing as we are going to walk, let me see. Yes, so. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk down here, so, and go around. So we are walking so and go around and catch the happenings. You understand? Yeah. No dancer, bro. No DJ. Come true, no man. You say one man, we have to strap. No, forget the DJ, yeah. DJ. See that one more time again. That's a real bad artist, no joke thing.
No joke.
Oh, yeah, me see you the writer, so you know. You understand? Big up every time, bro. You understand? We have to highlight we use them, everybody, nobody not get exempt. Alright? Look good. You see all over here. Greetings. Bless up. You know me? You see that side. Look good now, man. Yeah. Morant Bay. What a vibe, massive. Because like me can't done record. Yeah, me teacher, big up. Oh, you mean, look good. Pay pretty road down that side there, you know, man. Yeah, man. Morant Bay. So we don't go down at the park yet, so we are going to see you down at the park stay. You understand? Yeah. As we go through. No joke, no doubt. Let's go. Alright, massive, so you don't know, we're outside a little bit, so we're right down on the main road, you understand? That is it. We're there, massive. And what they over there, so? What they over there, so? Look at see, hold up. Yeah. That is it, massive. Morant Bay town, what a vibe, what a energy. You understand? You mean? Good evening. Yeah. Yeah, massive. So right Penny, the hillside town out there, so you understand. Yeah, man. Easy, massive. So down there, so now away. Bless up. Place change up a little. Easy out the park, that side there. A road. As we are walk through, massive. Yeah. So massive, if you watch this far and you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Big up to RolleySoEasy. Yeah, man. Subscribe to Jamaica Walk By there, my friend, please. Yeah, he's a YouTuber. Please never gonna subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. That is it. Thank you very much. See. Look good. Morant Bay. Morant Bay. What we there now? See that? Yeah. So that's East Street up there. See? East Street. Blessed me teacher. See? Look. Where's you selling now? Yo, we can't pass them, man. From the house, we have a showcase the thing. So look good, massive. A clearance seal. You understand? I see an amplifier over there, so I see saw, I see speaker. You repair them thing at all? No, just sell them. Yeah. Look good now, man. Right on the corner. What with the right so? What on the main road? What the main road name? Wharf Main Road. You understand? Right at Wharf Main Road, generally you bounce out something clear and seal, tool, all of them things. So for the pass them want to support the thing. buy off them thing easily. So if you know say them there, you know you know. You understand? Big up every time. You hear me, teacher? Yes, see all antique up here so it a sell. It got to go. You know, extreme art, you know, so you love them thing, you know. Cause you love them for the music video and all them thing that you understand. See it, yeah? Oh, you mean? No joke. Big up, hear that, my teacher? One love, outside. That is it, massive. Everywhere we go. I love always. Here, massive. Morant Bay. Morant Bay. Outside. No, we not get left out. Yeah. No, we not get left out. So if you don't know a place, and you normally dead them place, yeah, see it, yeah. What a tour. This has been a great tour. Great tour, massive. Let's get this video to 1 million views. 1 million where I go. 1 million. Let's go, let's go. Yeah man, come through mommy. Jamaica walk by here. We're gonna subscribe, see? One love, one love. Oh yes, my teacher, you call me. I like when you call me, you know. Yes, man, me showcase a place here then. Lord have mercy, trouble, you know. Jamaica walk by in town like I'm a yard. How business going on? Lord have mercy. So, hold on, I'm video from outside so them can see. Make sure so them see the place. Look good. Oh, you mean? Make a dolly pass, my friend. Come through here, my friend. See, they look good. Here by Sam. You understand? Shop 11A. 2 Wharf Road, Morant Bay. You understand? See our sign, they make sure so to check our out. Let's do this. Look good. This one hot bar right there, so see the play. Hey, that general and know about promotion. Let's do this.
But yeah, man,
look good.
For you reaching our town, you know we have to represent, you know, your boy DJ Tony P, you know, we're up and ready.
Figure
so you know, walk by yourself too. So we have to say, here by Sam's, you know, the ladies' and favorite ear shop. So you just walk in and just step in and just shop. You know, it's a good look, it's a good go. Boom, 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 boom.
You're a professional. You are a G. Big up yourself, my
just
bro.
Like that.
That is it. Look here. You understand? Look good. So she have all of what's a nice lady there hide, but beautiful people in hide, man. What are you hiding for? You understand? Look good. So we have all ear by Sam, ear per ear. We have all of the synthetic, we have the natural, we have all the
everything.
Wigs, everything.
Yeah.
So you do custom wig too?
Yeah, man.
Like pick out the ear front and make it nice and pebble down.
Yeah.
Cheese some
nice Brazilian.
Let it down.
Let it down.
Oh my word.
Let it
so
down.
you are Sam?
Yeah, man. This
Oh
is Sam.
my word, man. So we have the boss around here. Look
Yes,
good.
yes.
Clean and nice.
Clean and nice.
Figure that. Let me show the shop. So we have ears, we have all of the cosmetic jewelry, we have all of the things to cover your hair at night. Yeah, we have a thing. What do you think when they put on their name again? When they don't want to crush up your hair? The bonnet.
Yes.
The bonnet. All the bonnet is here. We have all of which one next dolly there we are? That $2 means here on the side. Then gone. But yes, massive. So we have big up the ear place.
Behind you, you can
see. Talked. Oh Lord. So we have all of the products too as well. You understand? Look good. We have dye, we have gel, we have all of the good things them for the ear them. Look good now, man. Yes, man.
Mini pharmacy, you can get pharmacy.
Lord, make sure say your head a hot, yo. You have to peel them over your sell. Hear me, teacher. See it then, man. Here by Sam. You understand? Massive. Listen, me, man. Promotion is key. So she can be right here and people don't know. So all like massive them will watch this, we run the video, go straight 1 million views. Wanna make sure someone come visit here by Sam. You understand? A 2 Wharf Road over the plaza. You understand? No joke. You understand? See the nice clean dolly up there. So see her up there on the plaque. Look good.
Yep.
All handbags and all them things that you want the classic, nice, good look. You see it here? No joke thing, no doubt. You understand? That
two
is
in
it.
One.
2 in 1 too. Oh my word. Only 6,500 and you get it both of them?
Both of them.
Figure that. So you shop them on Instagram too?
Yeah, man.
Tell me the Instagram. See them where?
Ear by Sam.
Ear by Sam.
Yeah.
That is it. One love. Hear that? Big up and respect every time.
Every time.
Yeah, you have to rate that brother, yeah?
Watch it up. here by Sam's. And we are saying down a Wharf Road, you know, might be a plaza, so just check it out. You understand me? The store for the girls them. All of the dolly them, I want them real makeup, them real ear, them handbag, them slippers. You saw the thing there. Boom,
That
boom.
is it. Big up every time. Respect, you hear that? Go through, see. One love, massive. Listen me. KFC no need promotion and they still advertise. So see it there, look good. Here by Sam. Big up every time, man. See it there. See. When there? Me not sure you can God know. Yes. So massive, we are doing it outside with it. Figure that. Yeah, man. What a vibe. Big up here by Sam. You understand? Yeah. We there. See the plaza here. 2 Wharf Road. You understand? That is it. As we do it like this, we still a go through. So this is the town by the sea, man. Yeah. I couldn't have made me go on. No, I don't see your top already. Yeah, go on, you know. I try to make it, you know. Blessed, blessed. Yeah. Where's your ends?
Long time.
Oh, you mean now, man? I'm glad you tapped me too. Because I park me to go and catch. You want to go and talk to me in a fire?
Well, you don't know, as usual, in the street, I go and do some business.
See, then, man.
Through.
What you mean? So ends this?
Right now.
That is it, man. Look good now, man.
It is right.
Business, pan top of business, close, pan top of close.
In the east, I go and hold it.
Yeah.
In the east, I hold it.
Glasses, everything.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See how the kerchief them here, wipe off the sweat off of your place after a long day, man.
Yeah,
Look
man.
good now, man. Right on Wharf Road with it.
Yeah, man.
You understand? No joke. Look good.
Yeah, man.
See there? All the lookers in there kind of little dark, but are crazy goods. Oh, you mean? Blessed. So tell them which have you find in the shop. Which are we there right now?
Well, we're there 1 Wharf Road, Morant Bay, Center, man. Brother Elder Park, doing business, you know, I no joke about it.
Right side I park.
Yeah, man, keep it real. You know what I say? The king in the east, I go and hold it. You see me, I say, we're not without the father, you know. Father, the thing there. No wrong, straight right.
Figure that.
No wrong, straight right. If you're not do the right, latching for that.
That is it.
And nothing now go and punish. Everything you're doing at the whole wide world.
Figure
have to pay for that. And remember the law stand, you know. Never changes. The law and earth run the earth. No boy break the law and get away. No white, no black, no China. No boy.
Figure
love
that.
run earth.
See, big up
Yeah,
every
man,
time.
yeah,
See,
man,
ends
yeah,
here.
man. Enough love,
Look
you
good.
hear that? Yeah,
Every time.
And we now left for God. You hear that?
Nah left.
No time at
Oh,
all.
you mean? Gear across there. Outside.
Oh, you mean? Send over the whole
Oh, you mean? Elbow bumps. Big up every time. See the park here massive. Look good. Morant Bay Park. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, you don't know me walk through the town. You see the town, you come down to that side here. I will go through it nice and easy. You understand? When I catch a side here, but we video the whole thing. So we're going to show you the park right about now. The park look festive. Place where the kids them a play. And bunch of things, people are exercise and all of that. So let's walk by the park. Let us sit down at the seaside a little bit. Because the seaside is there. And thing. You know what I mean? Godfather, see you struggling. Let me see if I can bless you up there. You hear that? Oh, you mean? Let me see if I can bless you up. Eh? No, I'm video. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, big up every time, see? And hold on on that. You're a singer? Sing something for me. So, and then you tell me what go on with the leg, why you walk like this, you know?
I like to fuck reach me still, but in real life,
yeah.
Let me see blessing upon you still, but really have to sing a song for that.
I saw my program, man, that is it, my respect.
Yeah. So, I sing a song about the woman, you know, but I'm not as a love song.
See,
so now I say,
give it to it.
It's a heart, For a man to live without a woman, and a woman to live without a man, it's a hard for a woman to live without a man, and a man to live without a woman. When a man loves a woman, and a woman loves a man, she gives him her heart, her soul, mind, and body, and prepare a place in her heart for lovers only. Eh, 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 oh baby. When a woman loves a man, and a man loves a woman, he gives her his heart, his soul, mind, and body, then prepare a place in his heart for lovers only. Hey, 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 oh baby. A woman is a bringer, a woman is a lover, a woman is a comforter, a woman is a mother, a woman is a bringer, the wife, the sister, and your daughter. Only a woman can give a man the love and the comforts he needs. So big up every woman on the planet land. When a man loves a woman, and a woman loves a man, a woman is the best thing that God ever made upon this land. So big up every woman on the planet land. And a man loves a woman.
Big up every time, man. See? That is it, man. Figure that. You did touch it, man. See how you forgot your whole foot weak like a bit, but let me elbow that in. Big up and respect, see? Buy a drink, man, and go on easy, see? God live. Figure that. You are going to do it, man. How we are, man?
I try it. I have a lot of songs, a songwriter, I'm a poet writer, you know.
Find this video on Jamaica Walk By. See? I'm going to release it on Sunday.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Blessings and love always. See? Be strong. See?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That is it. Thank you very much. Cool. Yeah, man. See it there? Big singer. That is it. What the man name again? Yeah, what's the name again?
Eric Sylvester.
Say it again?
Eric Sylvester.
Eric Sylvester.
Yeah.
Bad Vice. May I sing it to you now? Yeah, man. Oh, yes.
I kind of observe that.
Yeah. Singer, man. Big up every time. See?
Different area of song.
What? Me can tell, man.
Right. Hundreds of songs. Right. Maybe 2 when I have a radio station, but come on, 4 and the still not reach.
Don't worry yourself, me say the changes in life, man. See? Me and make case I'm going to catch over there so before it's dark. So,
remember me.
Eric.
My number.
Eric.
29.
Yeah, if you want to give it out, give it out, man.
351.
296-0351. 876 I front.
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up every time. See? Blessings, my boss. Outside. Yeah, I just stay and talk to him a little longer about night or forward, and I want to catch over the park a little bit. Blessings, my teacher. So, yeah, greetings. So, I want to catch over the park a little bit, and then we'll see what go on. You understand? No joke, no doubt. We're doing it like this. Good evening. Yeah. Why must if I can't make up them things in the street? Peace and love to all, you understand? No joke, look good. Everything we can find for juggle, we juggle it. You understand? Yeah, man. So this is the park now, massive. This is Morant Bay Park. You understand? Yeah. Let's go over there and see what it looks like.
Where are you?
See? Yeah. Look good. Say again? Me do TikTok, yes, but I Jamaica walk by most YouTube, you know? Yeah. Walk around and just reason the people, them, you understand? Yeah, true. You have RolleySoEasy and thing. So you say, want help? Then I could talk a little bit and you tell me what go on. Yeah, I platform this feed for everybody, you understand?
But you know if you got video me and
yeah, man, I have video right now.
No. What do you know? Like
yeah, what's your name?
My name is Daily.
Yeah, man, Daily. So Daily say want some help and thing. Tell us what go on a little bit.
Yeah, go on. Meet in the accident in 2013.
Yeah.
I come home, my family and chew me out. Right now, up like on the road time, I have to beg people food and something to eat. And I'm not good with it. Right now, for mom, I'm not even eat. I have to get her kill me. So I live in a house, the whole truck, I live in a crusher yard. I beg to have anyone can give me a sheet of ply and help me look up food stuff and some clothes. Great for that.
Alright, man, I feel
I have a mother and father to give me that. Me and God alone.
Yeah, you have a cell phone and none people can reach out to you.
Yeah, man, I can give me number, man.
Yeah, man, give people them a number so they can reach out to him and tell me your number, man. So we can help you.
I can't sit out my glass now.
Oh, you can't? Oh, just tell me, you know your number to your head?
No, I get the number.
Alright. You mean, massive. So we there try to reach out to everybody who we can, render some assistance to. You understand? Yeah. No joke, no doubt, man. You understand? We say meeting an accident in a 22 much?
2010 we meet in an accident.
So massive, anybody want to help him, you know what I mean? I beg you to bless him up, you know what I mean? So, same number here, 876 50, let me look on it good. 876 507 3742. I'm number that. So anybody who ever see him and know him, I'm gonna reach out to him and render some assistance. You understand? That's how I can kickstart the ball. I don't have much, you know. You understand? But you know the thing go, bro. We have to just go and see all the general this side of you too. Anyways, you can push that in your pocket and big up yourself. You hear that? Mine not much, but we work.
The thing I'm doing now, you see them, it's a cut yard and why not? I cut yard and whip a match up and the same people they match about they want me come back. So any man can give me a look if I want
to check a roast and a thing you do.
Second and whip and I do it because I do look up, I do painting because I paint the building down.
Yeah, so at least you don't sit down, you just there try to help yourself see where you walk. Yeah, man.
But here I'm walk now.
Get up and make man so walk.
Let me see.
Yeah, walk and limp.
Oh, you walk with a limp.
I am going to put my back up, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I get a start, like, sell some food stuff.
Don't worry yourself, man. God is good, man. Just believe, no, man. Believe, man. Touch me that, man, and say believe, man.
Believe, no.
That is it, man. For you see me a pass and me see you look for me and say, boy, if you can come talk to me.
Something in the paper. And my son like that. Told me I look the help. No, but that's straight for you. I tell you what, man. At 2.5 years, I sit down in a wheelchair, can't walk in a family.
2.5 years in a wheelchair.
And go back a year, we go keep like baby with a pamper. So, I'm not ashamed to tell a man like this, my style.
Yeah.
Because
you know your fault, you know.
And my fault.
And your fault. It happened and here we are, though. The greatest part is you bouncing from it.
I have to tell God thanks and give me life to God. So that time I try to know because you're gone.
Yeah, man, you're clean, brother. So
yeah,
God is good. That means him not left you could have done. So lie down, you know.
You're gone now. Could have be a cabbage in my grave, you know, because you're gone.
True.
A man, they put a live machine for 2.5 years and doctor put us to say you're dead and dead. You have to give God thanks.
That is it, man. Alright, that's how we are leaving.
Yeah, man.
Touch me.
Yeah, man.
That will showcase the rest of I place. You understand? Yeah, reach out to you, see?
Yeah, man.
Big up every time. Tell me your 2 cents before night come down.
Young artist miserably, you know.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
You have to go give me some quick and fast. 1 minute out time.
Yeah.
Give me something.
Y'all them said them will die for me. And them must said them will lie for me. Day and night them want me. That simple mean them will kill for me. Prove it, y'all prove it. You say you love me, y'all prove it, y'all prove it, y'all prove it. You say me love me, y'all prove it, y'all prove it. This girl is suicidal, I'm the girl them idol. Y'all take knife, put on it. People ball out, say you instant it. Me say wait, girl you not joke. She a swear, she a take her oath. Prove it, y'all prove it. You say you love me, girl, prove it, girl, prove it, girl, prove it.
Big truth.
You say you love me, girl, prove it. For my love, girl, do what I say. On your knees, count 1, 2, 3. Jump, girl, jump like a frog. Girl, I jump like jumping and crab. Girl, I not say that me a fraud, but me want hear your bark like dog. Prove it, girl, prove it. You say you love me, girl.
Big up. Yo, give me your number, because anybody want to reach out to you in Morant Bay for y'all a show. Well, on them in general. So, you know no number on Instagram, no, we can, I mean, I give you a theme number. So, massive, so you say, people can reach you up on theme number too.
Yeah.
That is it. How you mean?
Yo,
Give me some, you want to say something quick and fast?
Yeah, man, I say people, I have a no tune them out of you that sit down and write them. I say, I don't know Mr. Patka, because Mr. Patka don't look like no blast tell you that, and figure out what kept Mr. Rasta.
Alright, my friend, go and take it easy, hear that? Big up, you're a big artist. Touch me now, man, you're a real big artist. What the man name again?
I'm miserable, man.
Miserable. Yeah, man, you're a big artist, man.
Spar with Father Lexus, but you don't know.
Yeah, man, everybody do take them other way, you understand? But yeah, man, miserable your name. Yeah, miserable, you're bad miserable. You're miserable, you hear that? You're bad. Big up, touch me now, man. Yeah, man, girl, prove it. You understand? You can't say you love miserable and you not prove it. Figure that. Big them up. Thunderfrost in England.
Yeah.
Figure that.
Now big up the greatest. Them make it and go and cool out now and like Josie Whale, Charlie Chaplin and the whole of them man there. Up to the max.
See.
Miserable said that. Shabba ranking.
Big up him.
Remember him saying, respect the elders.
Respect the elders.
So we have
respect you. Big up and thanks. See? Now walk through. Blessings. One love. Hear that? Cool. So, if you get to you, people them have theme number. So you can, alright, that is it. You hear that? Cool now, man. Outside me there. Yes, some massive. See there, big up my teacher. So, in the park with it. Massive Morant Bay has been good to us. It has been great. The vibe. You have a teacher? Jamaica walk by. Respect. So Morant Bay has been good to us. It's just crazy vibe. The energy has been right. The people them loving. The environment is beautiful. It even though the sun at the place cool and nice, and trust me, there's absolutely great things I have to say about Morant Bay, and me just can't take it back. So it has been a great energy, great vibe, great ambience. You know what I mean? The people them good so far. Yo, one Jamaica walk by me teacher. What you say? Yeah, man. All right. So we're there, so. Yeah, are you just to keep the ball, eh? Yeah, baller. Touch me now, man. Big up every time, man. Outside me there. See that one more, seal it, man. Every day. Are you youth? Let me kick some soccer.
I'm a youth, man.
Are you youth? Chew it on the leather. Chew it on the leather. Let me see if I can get to. See that? Chew it now, man. Ah, if I'm a one fight, what you say? Yeah, man. Morant Bay, me cover today. I done here now. If I go the whole of Morant Bay, I go easy. How you mean? Big up yourself, man.
Virgin. Straight from
England. That is it, man. Yeah, we all go down and see, go make them see. I'm just a walk. I don't know, so I close it. And think, Mommy, yeah, let me come over here, so you understand? You don't know. Big up every time, I could seal it. One love, you understand? So now watch it from far.
From far.
That is it, man. You see how God good?
Jamaica.
Oh, you mean? Big up some people.
Big up my brethren in my England. Aiden, Otis, Starsky Barbershop, Blackie, Notorious, everyone from Starsky. Bless up. Big up. One love.
One.
That is a
big
must.
Big up every time.
All right.
Respect.
General.
Every time. And thank you so much for support the channel. Man. You understand? Elbow bumps. That is it. How you mean? Morant Bay.
Elbow bumps.
Come here, man. Seal it now, man. Figure that. How you mean? Always. See that? That is it.
When you drop this?
Sunday.
Sunday?
Yeah, man.
Watch me.
That is. Remind me of the name again. Wayne. I say your YouTube channel, you can better comment, you know.
Me not have no YouTube.
Oh.
Me follow you every day and comment and rate.
Nothing wrong with that.
That is a must.
Figure that. See?
Yes,
respect again. One love. Here, take it easy here. Be safe. That is it, massive. Morant Bay, massive. Look good. Beautiful. Big up all of my people, them. You understand? Damn me no game over here. So, yo. Can't done video. Blessed. Yeah. What go on, elders? So no mind, me can get a one look video of a domino table. Me see how get it beaten up right now. Make it roll it. Manners and respect, peace and love. On YouTube, Jamaica walk by. See it there now, and the game kick off like that. See. Let's do this.
Right now.
This game is called Domino. To all of those who don't know out there in the world. And right now we have a 4-player. Is it team or cutthroat?
Team.
Teamwork.
Mental.
So right there, so you have to have a little bit of reading in the game. You can communicate with your partner telepathically. You understand? That's how you communicate with your partner. You can talk to him. You understand?
True.
So let's do it.
Watch him.
Right now, and the game go a 5 and dose, and it switch now to 6 and dose, blank and dose against another blank out. Let's go. Let's see how we go. What? Them call it, see how much there. Man. Yeah, man.
What's one?
Can plug this in for me, Godfather? Yeah, just move the rubber part. Yeah. Let's go. I get sharp, you know. Somebody knock you know.
One damn in the pass. One damn in the have.
Push up.
Sit down, boy. That is it, man. See that? Good card, good card, good card. Good card. That is it, man. Good work. Big up every time, see? Peace and love always, man. That is it. Figure that. Blessed, see? Yeah, man. Morant Bay nice, massive. The experience has been so great. We're down at the park right now. It's just beautiful. People are trained and all of that look good. So we're going to close it right here, massive. Morant Bay was just joy and love and respect and thing. Yeah, man, don't mind me, man. Keep on training. Good work, ladies. Coach, big up yourself. Look good. So we're going to close it down at the sea. Let me show you. So this is the park right here. Your person is training over there as well. You understand? And it's just beautiful. Just beautiful. And if you're in the town and you just want to come cool out, you can park up a car and you just walk down to the seaside and have a ball, you understand? Look good. Yeah, man, to the sea, yeah. Good evening. Can I beg you to subscribe to my YouTube, please? Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. I'm doing an episode on Morant Bay. Walk out the whole of Morant Bay like I'm a yard. Put them bun up here now. Yeah. So it's Jamaica Walk By on YouTube. And the by is BY on YouTube. Oh no, you probably type in Jamaica. Alright, that's the top one right there. Yeah. And alright, so that's the channel, that's my channel too as well. With the yellow slogan. So you can click on the yellow, right? Yeah. Right, you can subscribe to it, please. That's my channel. Thank you, alright? That is it. So massive, Morant Bay is just beautiful. I love the vibe, I love the energy. Whoa, the water kind of look rough still, but it is nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Martin. Super nice. Good evening, good evening. Yeah, we're gonna close it right here. Look good. Life is beautiful. Look at that. Super nice. Yeah, massive. So right down at the park, you have this beautiful beach right here. You can walk and come wet up your foot and all of the good things them. You see me? No joke. So bless up all massive who watched the video. You know what I mean? It has been great. Jamaica is beautiful. It is just nice what I experienced. So I beg you, if you watch this video this far and you're not yet subscribed, please may I ask if you subscribe. I know the breeze up on the water and thing and come off, so I open our ear me clearly right. That's how we are done in Morant Bay. One love, thank you so much for being so nice. All the beautiful people them where we meet. All of the man them you don't know, big up every time. All of the woman them big up every time. If you watch thus far, you're not yet subscribed, please may I ask if you subscribe to the channel. You understand? Road to 1 million subscribers. And I must say big up to all of my members. You understand? All my members by YouTube, big up every time. I super appreciate every single one of you. But before I go, one of my member asked me to big up somebody. So let me just do that right now, because to be honest, I just remember. So let me just go on it right now. So the big up is coming from Jaden Jackson. So big up Jaden Jackson, and the big up is he want to big up Debian, somebody close to him or his spouse. Who knows? He didn't say. So he said just big up Debian. So Jaden said big up Debian, and Debian big up yourself, respect, more love. Thank you for watching Jamaica Walk By. And you don't know Jaden, mad respect, mad love always, heart of love. You don't know Jai is real, you understand? So we walk off at the seaside and we just go close it right there. So to be a member of Jamaica Walk By, the link in the description. You don't know, you get exclusive contents and all of that. And yeah, so are just to show your appreciation to Jamaica Walk By, and that is how we do it, you understand? Yeah, so road to 1 million subscriber, and let's do this. Big up to all people who fought from Morant Bay and all of them things there. One love, blessings, always signing out. Big up, one love. Yeah, man. What a beautiful day. That is it. Woo!
Glory be to the Almighty. I wanna pray with you tonight now. Glory be to the Almighty. Lord, watch over us tonight. Protect my family. In a time like this, we ask for mercy. Watch me in my going out and in my coming in. Could Lord please tell me why they don't want me to win? I see the enemies are after me. Don't let them conquer me. Show me what my eyes can see. Oh, Father, cover me. Jaja, as long as I